Can you explain unit economics of a typical payments platform and how do they monetize it?
Right. So, see, payments platform is a very broad term. And from what I understand, this question is mainly a platform which lets people do payments online, right? Is that the context here? Yeah.
Yes.
So, the unit economics are simple, wherein every transaction that is being done from that particular platform, there'll be a split of the transaction fee that goes to the platform or to the payment platform provider. And mainly see, monetizing that particular transaction is not in the hands of the platform provider, but it's just the split of the transaction goes to them. And there are certain other collaborations which can happen, right? So for example, payments platform would have a lot of data on the kind of customer behaviors that happen for payments, and so that data can be utilized for other product developments, or that data can be utilized by other partners that the platform has. So for example, if a bank is a partner of a payments platform, then that bank can also use that data to actually analyze and offer better products to the customers. So it's mainly a transaction split fee based model, not so much of a monetization kind of a model wherein there are ads and there are sponsorships, etc. It's a very clear and a very simple model.
Okay. So they do not monetize directly from this?
It depends, right? So see, any payment platform has a lot of responsibility in terms of securing the data and privacy of their customers. So there are regulations in place, and even if there are no regulations, any payments platform would ensure that the data that they have is secured and is actually safeguarded, right? So the customers can put in trust in the payments platform. Uh, in India, especially for any platform or any company to actually function, trust of the customers is the most difficult thing to earn, because Indians do not, the kind of culture that we are in, we still don't trust a lot of online transactions, and especially not we, but our parents and that generation, they still have a lot of doubts, right? And a lot of transactions, a lot of frauds happen. So then they sort of cement those doubts more.
Mm-hmm.
So monetizing, more than monetizing for any payment platform, it's more important that the transactions happen at a better success rate. So success rates is basically what drives revenues. If your platform is offering better success rate, more partners will come and choose your platform, and more transactions you'll get, which will lead to more commissions and more cuts, and that's how you're going to increase your customer base. Once you have a good customer base for your payments platform, you can then build custom solutions for them, and then you can actually have your own products and have your own customer base as well. So that's how it actually expands.